You're a rebel, getting into trouble. You're kind of like a fire, like a fire, like a fire. Unpredictable, so original.
Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching. So today is the day that I am finally going to tackle all of my beauty products. At the moment, it is a complete mess. It's all over the place. I can't even find anything at this point. So it's definitely something that needs to be done ASAP. I've been searching for like an acrylic case for a while now, and those things are pretty pricey, but I finally found a pretty good deal on Amazon, so I'll show you guys that in a second. So if your stuff is a mess just like mine, I hope this video motivates you guys to get some organizing done in your home. If you are new, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you. And yeah, let me share with you guys what my stuff looks like right now. So all of my skincare products are in this bag right here, but some of them just don't fit, so it's kind of like all over. And then this mess, hair products, some skincare products as well. So it's just like a big mess. As for my makeup, everything is either in this bag, which definitely needs to be cleaned out, this old FabFitFun box, or these two bags over here. So I really just want to combine everything, get it organized.
I was looking like a fool when I met ya.
Before I organized anything, I knew I needed to wash my makeup brushes. I am bad at staying on top of this task. I wait till they get really, really dirty, which I know is not a good thing, but I went in and used my Sigma cleaning mat that I had picked up a few years back. I will have that link down below for you guys if you are interested. It does make the whole cleaning process a lot easier. When was the last time you cleaned your makeup brushes or even went through all of your beauty products and decluttered and organized? Leave your comments down below. This is the acrylic organizer that I picked up, and it comes in 4 different pieces. So you have these 2 pieces down here by itself, these 2 pieces, this one large piece, and then the piece up at the top. And maybe, yeah, no, this is connected. So really there is a lot of storage that I can use to put everything in here. So I laid out everything onto the floor and really just started to play around with everything that I had, seeing what items would fit in what drawers, what looked the best. That's the thing when it comes to organizing. You really just have to experiment with different things. And then I was also going in with my Mrs. Meyer multi-purpose cleaner to clean off anything that had a bunch of makeup all over it.
That's something that you do to me is chemical. I know it isn't logical. Something that you do to me. I'm the one with the broken heart, waiting for you to come out and save me. I'm a mess, need to untangle, and I'm a fool for you, baby. Fool for you, baby. Waiting for you to come out and save me. Fool for you. I see you standing there, a soothing atmosphere. Smell of your aftershave, sweet blossom in the rain. You flip around your hair as if you're unaware. should know that I'm looking at you. You make me feel like I'm made of colors. Just you and me, ignore the others.
So I'm finally done, and I'm going to show you guys what it all looks like. It took some maneuvering and trying to figure out how everything can be placed in there, but I think I did a pretty good job. So I threw out, I feel like, a good amount of stuff as well. Stuff that I just hadn't used anymore. There were even stuff that was like empty in there, so I have no idea why I even still had it. But let me show you guys the finished product. So at the top, I figured that I would put all of my like facial products, things that I grab for on a daily basis. And then I have all of my brushes. Now, I do not think I'm going to be keeping this in the bathroom, hence the reason I put my brushes out. But if you guys are going to be keeping this in your bathroom, I recommend putting your brushes in maybe one of the drawers, just because every time you flush the toilet, bacteria goes and it's going to go right onto your brushes, which could then break you out. I put some of my lipsticks, my lip liners, and all that stuff up there. And then in the top drawer is basically all of my facial brushes and my PMD. And then in this drawer, this is kind of just the random drawer, things that just couldn't fit in the other drawer. So I have some gel and this like hair oil, my sponge that I had used this morning. And then down here are all of my different perfumes, my setting powder, the foundation, not the foundation, my blush that I've been using, my bronzer. I can't even believe how many lip products I have. I definitely have to go through and just start to wear more of them and see what I like and I don't like. But these are all the different like liquid lipsticks that I have. Some, I also included some of my lip glosses as well. Ooh, there we go. All of my concealers, and to be honest, I probably can get rid of some of these, but I haven't used them in a little while, so I know I love them, so I don't want to throw them out just yet. My different bronzers, liquid bronzers, setting powder, some more bronzer. And then in here, if you guys are looking for a good setting spray, this one from Too Faced is amazing. Sephora also has the peach scent one that I recommend really well as well. I have very oily skin, and if I do not set my face is oily within hours, but this has me lasting literally all day long. Some extra beauty blenders, all of my foundations, and some of my eye stuff. And this is kind of another like just random drawer as well. Some of my smaller facial products and things like that that I like to travel with. And an extra like shaving brush, nothing special in there. This is everything that I did get rid of. So I feel like it's a good amount of stuff. Nothing too crazy because I have thrown things out as I go. But yeah, I think I did a pretty good job.